Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k for free. Definitely worth checking out below. So we're just taking a quick look at a Vechain then on our daily time frame. As we can see, as I stated in the video that I did yesterday, perfectly predicted what was going to happen to this crypto, heading up to the top of this descending wedge here at the resistance, and then breaking out just like there are so many examples of this happening across the market. In the previous video, I did cite that Cardano was forming up pretty much exactly the same as Vechain, as you can see. Bear market range, the break, the retest into the range, and then the break to the upside heading up to the 618 and making this higher high and higher low structure. This is exactly what I cited would probably happen for Vechain in the previous video yesterday, and as you can see, the correlation between the two charts is pretty much 1 for 1, if not very close. Bear market range, clear highs and lows, the breakout of the range, the backtest into the range, the 50% level in this case being the level that we did bounce at. You can see if we go into this 50% area, you can see this is pretty much where we bounced, was previous resistance and support, and you can see now Vechain following exactly what Cardano did. We came up, we came back, we backtested, we broke to the upside, and now we're breaking to the upside again, breaking through resistance and heading up to the 618 Fibonacci, which is where Cardano is currently stalled at. As you can see, exactly the same structure, and I told everyone this is exactly what I was predicting going forward for Vechain over the next few weeks, and you can see it's pretty much played out exactly as I expected. As we head into that next leg of this bull market cycle, you can see, as I said in previous videos, and I will say again, I'm looking for something like this. We've already had our first two waves of the bull market, and we're heading to that third wave now. You can see quite clearly here the range of the bear market for the reset of the previous cycle. We've got our first leg to the upside, our second leg to the downside as we retest into support. The third leg now going to take us anywhere from, I would say, 10 to 15 cents into this area here, followed by a pullback and a retest into this 618 area, maybe down towards the 050 and this previous level of support, before heading up towards a new all-time high. Probably anywhere from 50 cents to $1 would be my target for Vechain in this cycle, doing something like this. You can see overall, this is what I'm looking for in this cycle, looking very, very good indeed so far, and things playing out pretty much to perfection. I have been saying this for a while as well, ever since we were retracing here for this big break and retest of this area of structure really. You can see the break, the retest, the continuation, the final back test before the pull impulse to the all-time high. This is what I'm looking for Vechain in this cycle, and so far things are playing out pretty much to perfection as I expected. As you can see on our hourly time frame here then, massive, incredibly huge impulse to the upside, huge amounts of volume, and a very, very overbought market scenario on our hourly time frame here. You can see we've pretty much been heading straight to the upside. We were heading up under a very, very nice level of support like this, more or less just heading up in a very parabolic move to the upside. No real pullbacks at all, just an impulse, a little bit of a retrace, an impulse, a consolidate, impulse, consolidate, impulse, and now another impulse taking us beyond not just our 038 Fibonacci level, but also our 050 Fibonacci level up here, as you can see. Looking very, very bullish indeed, as we really are heading into some parabolic territory right now. As you well know, if you've been in crypto for a good while like I have, when you have these huge parabolic moves to the upside, you do tend to see yourself hitting a bit of resistance and then getting a decent pullback. You can see here Vechain now getting incredibly parabolic in this local area. Let me zoom in a bit more so you can see. We've been heading up, very, very nice market structure here, but this last move to the upside over the past few days has been nothing short of incredible frenzied buying, and in my opinion, obviously this kind of price action is not sustainable at all. We saw this previously back here, as you can see. These hockey stick formations happen in crypto all the time. You can see this hockey stick formation for Vechain here happened before, and then we had a consistent, continuous retracement of around 50% of the move. I would predict that Vechain will probably come up and tap the 618, judging by how strong it's looking. But obviously you can see how parabolic this move is here. You could easily hit a level of resistance and start to retrace like this again, forming potentially another descending channel or wedge like the previous move here. It would be very, very likely, in my opinion, that this scenario would probably be playing out. You can see Vechain is looking exceptionally good though. The weekly time frame looking really, really good now, with that break of the local highs. As I said before, lovely bear market range. You've got your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 move to the upside, taking your set up to anywhere from 50 cents to $1 for Vechain. I do think that that's going to be looking very, very likely now, considering our bullish market structure playing out here. You can see we're looking really, really good for continuation. And also, as I said in my previous video, I will be looking for a nice little pullback on the fourth wave as we retrace for a long position for Vechain. I did take a long position here, but I didn't think that we would get such an insane impulse to the upside. After last week's weekly candle here, we did seem as though we might get a bit of a retrace. So I took my profits on my position, but as you can see, we've continued to the upside. So I would be looking for, if we look at our daily time frame here, obviously we're heading up in the third wave to the upside in my opinion now. I would be looking for anywhere up here to be tapped, and then a retrace into this area here, and significant sideways price action like we did see previously, to be taking a long position somewhere down here to capture that final impulse of the bull market going forward. I do think we could be looking at a very, very nice gain indeed for a lovely little trade if I can get this to come up into this area here, get into a position down here, and then ride it up towards a new all-time high. We're looking at a very, very nice trade indeed. Right now, not much to report on Vechain apart from the fact that it's looking very, very good indeed. The monthly time frame looking even better. This looks like it screams continuation to me, as you can see, heading up into our new bull market. Let's see what we can do. Make sure to sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. BitTrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing, or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.